Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add multiple bullet points in same line in Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add multiple bullet points in the same line. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the table option. Then create two rows table. Then click and drag the table. Move on the top. Then select the first row on the table. Then go to the home menu again. Then click the bullets drop down menu. Then choose any bullets. Now I select the arrow bullets. Then write anything on these table cells. Then select the whole table cells and go to the table design menu. Then click borders drop down menu, choose no borders. Then click the outside of the page. Now we can see we added multiple bullet points in the same line in this Publisher document very easily. Now you can check this outline is removed. Go to the file menu, then click the print option. Then check the print preview. Here not available the outline. Now we can see we added multiple bullet points very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.